Okay, there's going to be times to light your wire once you've got it hung, or you're going to need to make a connection, whether it need be running lamp cord or to terminate a line. You're going to need to add a female or male connection, whichever applies. On how to do that is really quite simple. First, you're just going to separate the end of the wire just a little bit. And then one thing to always remember is on the wire, be it the lamp cord or your socket wire, there's a rib side and then a non-rib side. Taking the rib side, we're matching it up with the word side. When you do that, you want the puncture point on the right side of the wire. Press down a little bit, take your cap, and there's only a right way and a wrong way on these caps. Place the cap on, just slide it on. Okay, on your females, one thing to note is occasionally you will need to place these in line. There's a tab right there. All you need to do is take a pair of needle nose pliers, whatever it is, and you're just going to break that out. Comes out quite simply. But that's how you're going to do an inline connection on your wire. Now, with a male connection, there is no knockout points. Those are only on the females. Same scenario with a male connection, just like a female. You're going to find the words, and then you're going to find the rib. And rib side, word side, we're going to split the end, insert it in there a little bit, bend it, press down, and then place your cap on.